Hi guys, there are many consulting firms in India. We are going to look at the data of all these companies here: AT Kearney, Accenture, till ZS. So total, there are around 26 consulting firm ka data we have got about their salaries and this. So we'll try to understand the salary, in-hand salary. We'll try to find out the reality of the consulting firms, their package. Why the consulting is number one thought out of is because of the obviously average salary. Yeah. And number two is also the profile. So for example, advisory role, yeah, who won't like to work as advisor? You're going to advise various companies across the world. So I think that's why a lot of people are going for consulting. And today we'll also try to understand why McKinsey, MBB, McKinsey, Boston Consulting Group, BCG, and Baines and Company are the top three consulting firm. Why they are the most valued companies at any college. At IIM Bangalore, almost 160 students are getting into consulting every year. I'm Ahmedabad, 150 student. I'm sure I'm Calcutta also 150 above will be into consulting. So today we look at all this data as we go along. So average salary of all these colleges, all these companies is around 21 lakh CTC, and base is around 16 lakhs. So this is around 77% is your variable cost to the fixed cost ratio, which is a very good ratio. Trust me, that 77% of the salary is fixed and then remaining is variable depending on the performance, depending on the other areas. So going into the details of the consulting. So these are the low end companies here. So first set, I'm picking up the low end consultings. So PwC, Capgemini, Thocentric, Imorphis, Cognizant, Eversant, and IQVIA. We have other companies as well. For example, Infosys Consulting, Wipro Consulting, within TCS. TCS को नाम ही consulting है. So these are the low end. Why? Because the average salary is low. Fine. They are consultant, not management consultant. Please remember that. Okay, please check the profile before you join the college. Consulting means consulting can be anything. IT consulting, this, that. For example, Cognizant is offering IT consulting. Capgemini offer the IT consulting. So depend upon which profile you are joining at. Some of the companies might be giving you the back end job. Consultant ही हो, लेकिन काम आपका back end रहेगा. So these are sample data only. I can't promise you any of these numbers are correct because they're all taken from various sites. Yeah. And the CTC base salary change from college to college and company to company. Same company might be going to I'm Ahmedabad and offering a bigger package. Same company might be going to a Chota Mota college and offering a lower end package. So all depend upon the profile as well. Yeah. You are going for a management consulting or you're going for the back end role, all depend upon which profile you are going for. So this is a low end profiles. So PwC, for example, their sample profile 16 lakhs and in-hand salary of 13 lakhs. Okay. Moving up the value chain. So this is the second level of the companies. PwC India, this is the PwC US. So if you work for the US clients, your package will become 20 lakhs. In-hand 18. ZS, Average, Indus, Ernst & Young, EY, Deloitte, PwC, and Michael Page. So this is there. Now, this cannot be pure, maybe not pure consulting. They can give you marketing consulting, marketing assignments. So all depend upon the part and parcel of, depending upon which company you are joining and which kind of profile they have. Okay. So here, I think this is the worst package to 19 lakh a package, but base is only 11 and rest is all the variable salary. Okay. Then moving up the value chain, the main companies of the country, McKinsey, BCG, Baines. Why they are the top three is because of average salary offer. AT Kearney, 31. Accenture, 27. Deloitte, 23, 22. And with their base package. Now, this again varies person to person because I know a student who have just got into Accenture with a 31 lakh package. Yeah. I know a person who got into BCG with a 48 lakh package. Yes. MBA with 48 lakh package. All depend upon your background, all depend upon your profile, all depend upon your number of years experience as well. ठीक है, अगर आप पहले ही कंसल्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस लेके आ रहे हो, फॉर एग्जांपल यू वर्कड इन एक्सेंचर कंसल्टिंग आफ्टर योर इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम आईटी फॉर एग्जांपल, so you can expect a better package. All right, but this is why the MBB are the most famous one. This is why the salaries are the people prefer because the salaries are high in consulting. How you feel about this? Please do post the comments. Lot of comment will come. CTC in hand is this, base is this. Boss, this is true in every college. This is happening in the engineering colleges as well. This is happening in the private full. This is happening in the government companies as well. Today, mostly some of the government companies have started giving the CTC. They're not showing the base salary. Yeah, they started talking about a CTC everywhere. Every corporate company is doing that. So you can't blame the MBA environment for all these things. How much you are earning, please tell that. Fine. For example, McKinsey 36 lakh. Oh, I will not go there because in hand is only 25. तो भाई तू बड़ी कंपनी में जाओ. Fine. How much you are earning? Oh, right now I'm jobless. Right now I'm sitting at home preparing for my MBA. So beta, chill. Fine. Once you go to the corporate world, you realize the value of this. Okay. So what is your feel about consulting? Please do post. But this is the real salary about the consulting companies. Fine. I've taken the data of almost 26, 27 companies here. Yep, 26 companies. So the cream of the cream companies, level 2, and the salary point of view, level 3. Profile, of course, vary from company to company, client to client, and depend upon your profile as well. All right. All the best.